So now you guys, good morning everyone. I want to show you this video of I want to show you guys how what happens when you don't take your profit. So this video is all about why you should not always wait to hit the TP. Some of you wait till you have hit your TP. Now it's okay to wait, but it's also okay to take your profit. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. You see that in the previous video that I showed to you, we were able to make, I think, about $1,000 plus from this trade. But now looking at it right now, we are in a loss. Now what happened? Let me go back to the chart. Now you've seen that, of course, we bought this market and we were able to make profit from it. Let me show you this. Okay, this is a VIP. So first we bought, I'm coming. Okay, first we bought the crash 300. You see this, and we were able to make profits here. We made good profit and we were able to hit our TP. So we smashed our TP on the crash 300 the first time. That was in the morning. Then later that evening we went on a sell of the C300. The sell was set for the VIPs and we made much money. You've seen this, and this TP, this is a TP 3190, and I told them to be sure to secure profit because that's how you stay profitable. But I didn't take my own advice. Now you've seen that we actually saw the support. There's a resistance here. So a market where we bought, took profit, then later sold in later on when I saw this rejection, and we made good profit. And this is where our TP is. But meanwhile, we weren't able to smash that TP, but we were very close to smashing it. If you see this, we were very close to smashing this TP. So if you have gotten to this level, it's quite very okay for you to take your profit and leave the market. But quite unfortunate that when I went to bed and by the time I woke up, I saw myself running in massive loss. But that's actually the problem. Now the problem is that those with small accounts by now would have been taken out. They would have lost their account. Now it's very wise for you that once you that's why if you are my VIP, um I try telling people to have a target. So by the time you've made hit that target for the day, it's quite okay for you to leave the market. It's quite okay for you to leave the market. Don't overtrade. Like this is a VIP. Hold on guys. So this is a VIP about the crash 300 yesterday. So I told him to secure if he's good, he should not overtrade, and he closed one, leaving one to run. So you see that that's the best advice I give to people. If you have been given an SL, it actually depends on you to give yourself a TP, and a TP is not fully being assured that it's gonna smash. You might just see this has been happening a lot of times that you see market coming, it kisses your TP, and next thing it starts buying. It doesn't even plan of coming down again. It doesn't even plan of coming down again, and that's a very big problem because once it goes up and doesn't come down, you happen to lose everything. Like we're on a profit of 1,000 plus, but now we are in a loss. We are in a loss. So it's quite very advisable that you take your profit and leave the market. So now you see that using price action to trade is actually very, very effective. Now you see that this is you see that this is an uptrend here. Oh, I've moved that. That is an uptrend, and immediately market broke this level. It came down to retest it. It broke this level. Like now, it came here, there was a range in here and it came down. So immediately it came down here, it went back up, broke this place that is likely supposed to reject from and start selling, but it broke it, retested, and this would have been the right place to enter the trade. Now I can tell you that this market is going to be buying for a while till it gets to a level like this, at least to a level like this, because it's now changed the trend. It has now gone into an uptrend. So while trading, it's quite okay if you're using indicators, but I'll advise that you use price action. You see the spikes that are coming, they are very little spikes, but this is the best time for you to go in and scalp. So when you want to trade, you have to know, is there an uptrend or downtrend? Is this safe for me to go in scalping? If you're going to scalp, you go in, catch some candlesticks and leave. But if you are really sure there is an uptrend, you are now very okay to hold the market. But one thing that will determine if your accounts will still hold on to the market, even if it goes in the loss, is if you get in at the right entry. Now you've seen that once there's a break, there's a retest. This support here, every support here counts, every support, every resistance, they count. So once market gets here, we expect it to drop, but if it gets here and it doesn't drop, you have to wait to see if it's going to break. And once it breaks, what do you wait for? You wait for a retest and you go in for a buy. Once that retest happens, the retest happens and you see a candlestick that is moving back up, that's when the retest has happened. Okay, let's say market is buying, it has broken a resistance, and you see bearish candlestick. That is not really a retest yet until there is a bullish candlestick being formed. Okay, until there's a bullish candlestick being formed, then you know that the retest is fully happened. Then you go in for your buy. Then at that point, you will have to put your SL somewhere here below this point here. Let's say you buy from here, your SL can be somewhere below this point, okay, because your SL has to be below the support, and if it's at a resistance level, it has to be a little bit above the resistance level. Okay, so that's how we set our TPs and our SLs if you are giving it to the VIP. So please be very sure that you take your profit. Be very sure that you take your profit. Once you make good profit, and always have a target. I mean, it's very okay. Like if you have, I have a $20 account, a $20K account right now. It's okay if I'm making 1K a day. I mean, 1K a day times 20 days, that's 20K, yeah? So if you have a $100 account, it's okay for you to make $20 a day. It's okay for you to make $10 a day. $10 a day times 10 days is like $100, yeah? But greed is what makes us lose a lot in the market. So you don't have to be greedy. You just have to maintain decorum when trading. And when you lose a trade, you have to be very you have to get yourself mentally ready again. Like there was a day I lost the trade. I think I lost over a couple of bucks, I think up to 5K. I couldn't trade for 2 to 3 days. I had to just keep myself, I had to rest. Let me show you that. Let's go to the VIP. I think I lost that trade on, this is 16th. Okay, I think I lost a trade one of these days and I was off for some time. This is 21st, 28th, no, 22nd, 23rd. I think I can't find it, but once I lose a trade, I take myself down, give myself time to reevaluate the market, to gain my self-confidence again before rocking the market again. I don't just rush into it. So the bottom line is patience, space, and also once you have made good profit, it's okay for you to leave. Have a target. Don't really deep, because TPs are not sure. They are not sure. Imagine that what just happened. I expected it to get to that level, to that support at least, but it got close to that support and I didn't take my profit, and now everything is gone. But I believe the VIPs must have copped enough, because I told them to secure once market started rejecting at this level, I told them to start securing because we were close to our TP. So guys, make sure you are patient with the market. Make sure that you are not greedy about the market, and also make sure that you have a good equity if you are holding or using a big lot size. So now, well, it's gonna reduce. I'm just gonna wait for it to give me less loss. Then I'm gonna close out and I'm going to leave the market. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to be showing you guys more and more tips on how to make money and why you shouldn't lose money trading forex. So please subscribe to this channel, like the video, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to our Telegram channel. In case you want to join the mentorship, hit me up, check the description. You'll find the link to my WhatsApp as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next video. Have a lovely weekend.